What's up, guys? I'm Reed.
I'm Nat.
And we're going to be doing a special weekend ranking. We're over here at Dairy Queen in Metropolis, Illinois. And we're going to be trying out some different blizzards and ranking them. And we've got a few of our friends to come help us out.
We've got the Butterfinger Blizzard from Dairy Queen. You know, it's my go-to. It's not bad. Just the perfect amount of Butterfinger in there. 9 out of 10, for sure.
I got the new super cake batter cookie dough blizzard. Doing 7.5 out of 10.
I got a s'mores blizzard. 10
10
out of 10.
I also got s'mores blizzard. I give it like a 7.
I also got a s'mores blizzard. 10 out of 10. And then I also got another one. 5 out of 10. You know what that is. This is the mixing bowl mashup. 8 out of 10.
We'll see y'all next time.